everybody, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I have no gloves. I've been biting. I got this, my package fresh from the mailbox. This is my Vettsy order. I have the Vettsy monthly subscription down there that I'm gonna do in a separate video. I just had to open them to look at everything. So, no gloves, can't find them. Don't know where I put my box. Yuck, but that's okay. We are going to open this right now. Yes, okay. I'll give it a little sneak peek. And yeah. Okay, let's move her. Okay. Moving stuff around, found gloves. There we go. Makes sense. Just looks more professional. Okay, let's do this. Now, normally I get these. They used to come in the box. Maybe I'll get two. I don't know. Let's see here. So this is the normal spiel. Oh, those are neat. Oh my goodness, these are different. I'm excited. Look how cool those are. That's cool. And these are different. I like them. Cool. And then, oh, those stickers. Oh, some eyes. Oh, those are neat. Oh, look at the panda bears. Oh, and it's got, oh, it's all the lambs and doggies, I think. Oh, those are cute. Oh. Well, thank you, Vettsy. That's very lovely. Okay. Let's see here. So, what I'll do is what I ordered. So, I ordered 3, what are these called again? Oh, I forget. Oh, darn it. There's no English. If I think of it, I'll say it. But, alright. There's $1 each. Now, this one has flowers. And this one right here interested me. It might work as a daffodil. We'll see. But you just put gel in there. I would use gel. You can do acrylic too, but gel in there. Polish, hard gel, builder gel. Then you can pull it out and there's leaves. I think that was cute. There were so many. I was like, I don't know what to pick. That's not going to go back in there very well. Silicone, so they're sticky. And this one. So I love like the old brooches that, you know, have the woman in the middle. So I got this to do those myself. I think that's very cool. So I can make my own stuff with it. Okay, I'm gonna look though. Let's sign in here. This is my new one. Oh. Should be. So 3D nail art mold. Wow, I can't speak. I forget. There's another name. I can't remember. You can help me in the comments if you'd like. I thought that was beautiful. Now I got a couple of my last subscription boxes, but they're not like this. They're flat, so they make stickers. I thought that was cool. And then with the summer coming in beaches, I got this shell one. It's hard to get it out, so I'm gonna try and do this so you can. $10 right there. It's a little bigger one here. I thought that was really neat. And then I got another of their 12 solid gel bundle. They're $10 each on their own, and it's like $42.99. Yeah, for 12. And I can't get it open. I need one of these. So I had to get other colors. Now they have a nail gel polish bundle. It's a little more than this, which is fine. You get 6 in each set, and so I'm gonna do that next time. Yeah, and the 15th is when my monthly comes out. Okay, so got white, black, berry, jam, hotness, myth, oasis, mint, funk and roll, Barbie doll, the artist, brown eye, and morning. So excited. So what I will do is I had a surprise bag. Oh, and it does come these sets, so I got another oval brush. I think it comes with this sets. I mean, that's very nice of them because you get 12 polishes. But I will, once I open the, so last time I got a Vettsy bag, this time I got a clearance bag. And so I'll go through that and then come back and I will have these opened and either show you the colors or have swatches already done. We'll see. But yes, so there's that. Very cool. So here's the, there's gel polishes and the circle ones in there. Cool. So that's just, I'm gonna dump it into the box here. And then, so the pretty, I'm gonna save these for presents. Daughter loves pink. Okay. So I'll reach in first. Oh, what are these? 4 fun and colorful narrow journeys. Are these stickers? Okay. Oh, this is what I've seen people, oh my god, I have to show you. So I'm trying to try my, it's dirty, my nail. I just can't afford a hand right now. This is very strange, but that's the Vettsy cat eye that I was playing with. It's huh. But I grabbed this because I think you can take like the whole thing off with the butterflies being holes and like put them on your nail, or maybe, and then just like even, you can even use, once you take that off, use tape if you don't want to take all the insides out. That's cool. Never. Very cool. Oh, there's a bunch of different ones. All right, let's take them all out then. Oh, they're so shiny. Huh. I apologize for that. Zebra, oh neat. Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, that's different. They're all different. This is neat. Oh, mermaid. That's cool. I might use that. Ooh, yes. Fish? Oh, that's cool. Oh, those are neat. Looks like noodles. Ooh, some filigree. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, those are cool. Oh. This is stuck to my hand. Well, these are neat. I don't know what I call them, but that's very cool. I like that. Vettsy. What a neat thing to have. Okay. Ooh. Little bows. Oh, I can make my own bows. That's cute. For Christmas, I can make present nails. Oh, Christmas in July is coming up. I have some things planned for my channel. Oh, that's cool. Very nice. Oh. I think I may have these. These are really cool. And if I do, I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. There's some numbers. I think I have these though. But they're very cool and they're very bright. Totally great for summer. Hearts, hearts, butterflies, hearts, little butterflies, letters, letters, stars, stars, flowers, circles, stars. Very pretty. Ooh. Cavalier beads in different sizes. This is perfect. I like that. This will go in my collection. Slowly growing it. Vettsy is sort of perfect for that. The products are fantastic. The price is right. Like, $70, so $69.99 for a box full of stuff. like, the box is different than this one. So I can't wait to open it. And this, you know, it didn't cost too much. That's pretty. And these were $1. You get 12 gel polishes and a brush with it for $43. And these lovely packaged lucky bags are $9.99. Ooh, what is that? Okay. Cool. A green and a red? Oh. This is some different glitter in there. That's pretty. I like that. And Vetsy's on Pinterest and YouTube and Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, all over. This is GE15 4K. Oh, okay, let's see. Oh, freaking spelling. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, lovely. Could do wonders with that. So, okay. And last but not least, 12 of them. This is called Cherry Sweet and Dyed Up. I don't have either of these. They're in circles. Exciting. Okay. So I will do these with these. What a nice surprise. So if you're looking for gel polishes, I didn't get any in the Vettsy lucky bag. I don't know why, like, they're just different. And this was the clearance, so maybe just the clearance has the wrap. I don't know, but very cool. Thank you for watching so far. I will be back with swatches. Let's try this again. People keep bugging me, it's late here. So these are the swatches of the Vettsy order. The solid polishes that I got in the Vettsy order. The 2 round ones came in the clearance lucky bag. And these square ones came, I chose them, so they came in the 12 for $42.99. Here's the swatches. Aren't they pretty? Okay, so first we have the artist. Quick blue. Here it is. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna say that word 1,000 times. Oops, a daisy. Black. Nitrine. Here it is. Did I do? I think I forgot to do the, that's funny. Guess I was in a rush. I forgot to do the matte. But I'm sure it's beautiful. To remember to do that. And then here is Young Love, which is the white. Remember to do the matte on here. And then, goodness, this is Funkin' Roll. It's purple, medium purple. There it is. And then here is the Dyed Up. Okay. Here it is. It's beautiful. Hotness. It's a lovely orange. Kind of looks terracotta-y. Let's see. Here it is. It's lovely. Here's Cherry Sweet. Very pretty. Excuse me. Frog in my throat. As always. It's beautiful. Actually, I'm lactose intolerant and still eat some stuff. I drink lactose-free milk, but like the butter and cheese, I can't. The lactose-free that they have is, I haven't found any that isn't a nut milk, and I don't do nut milk, so I just kind of wing it and deal with it, but that's okay. Here's Oasis. It's a beautiful pine deep green. And there's the matte and the glossy. Here's Mint. I was so excited to get it. It's my favorite green shade. It's beautiful. No, it's Lovely. Okay. Here we go. This is a jelly and it's morning. So it looks purple on top of there. It looks, excuse me, coppery. And then the swatch looks like this, a sunset, and hence the name morning. It's gorgeous. So incredibly beautiful. I'm just shaking stuff, I'm sorry. I gotta find a better setup. And then this one is a jelly, and it's called Myth. It's a beautiful sea color. There we go. I love doing the jellies that are shimmers with matte. I think it's funny. And then this is Barbie doll. Oops. A lovely pink. And it's got a bit of shimmer in it. At first I thought it was jelly, but it's not. At least to me it's not. It's a beautiful shimmer. And then here's Drama. It looks like a Christmas red. I think it might be, but it comes out like this. There we go. And last but not least, Berry Jam. It's a lovely raspberry color. And there it is. I want to thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Sometimes I forget to say that in my videos, but it'll help me out a whole bunch as I'm trying to grow my channel. And I appreciate the love and support of all of my subscribers I have so far. When we hit 100, I'll be doing a giveaway. I'm looking forward to that, collecting things and figuring stuff out for that. But in the meantime, I hope you have a fantastic day, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye!